Are you looking for a specialist boiler repair company in the Hampshire and West Sussex area? All About Gas Heating and Plumbing Services Limited have over 30 years experience in the gas and plumbing industry. Working in both domestic and commercial premises, the company is now renowned for its reliability and trustworthy reputation. Our main line of business is response boiler repair, hot water and central heating repair, new boiler installations, and general maintenance of all gas appliances. We also specialise in boiler descaling and central heating power flushing. All of our engineers are fully trained and highly experienced. Our aim is to complete the job in one visit where possible, with each engineer carrying a considerable amount of parts. Fully gas safe registered and insured, our customers have peace of mind knowing that they will get a professional service, excellent workmanship, and all at a competitive price. All of our workmanship and materials come with a 1-year guarantee. So, give us a call today and we'll be happy to answer any of your queries.